In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you all this cool little feature in Mac, at least the Monterey version. I don't think prior to Monterey this was a feature, but after Monterey, this feature is pretty cool. Now, let's say, for instance, you wanted to select text in a document, but you didn't want to open up the document, right? Well, you could do that with Quick View, and this is how. So you see I have this document right here, and maybe I want to copy some of the text that's in there. So all I have to do is hit the space bar to get Quick Look, and then I can go in here and just highlight what I want to do and copy it and then go on with my work. So I don't have to wait for Microsoft Word to open up, because it does take a little bit of time for Word to open up on a Mac. So anyways, that is today's quick tip. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.